안녕하세요. 아뜰리에 433입니다. 오늘은 다가오는 화이트데이를 맞이해서 플라워 캔디 박스를 만들어 볼 건데요. 아래의 꽃들을 사용해서 만들어 보도록 하겠습니다.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So